Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to sell your courses in online. So, let's discuss this topic. Best platform online. Mighty
So if
Networks.
you want to selling the courses online, so I will go to Google Chrome over here and I will type here Mighty Networks. Okay, you see here Mighty Networks. So I will click over here. It is my first website. You see here www.mightynetwork.com. So I will highlight over here. So you see here http www.mightynetwork.com. I will click this website. Okay. So you see this website get open over here. Okay, this is a website for a community platforms for which the creator brings their community to online courses and membership and subscription for together of one place. So I will click on this profile over here. So I will get a free, and you see here create a mighty network. So you have to create an account over here. So I will create account in Google directly only. So I will add this my link. I continue it over here. So who do you want to bring together? It's kept all cookies. Okay. So pick up the community description, then choose the name and get start brand and identity. So you can create your first community descriptions or coaching. Coaching. Great. You bring on your translator careers, or you can skip over here also. Okay, name of your network. So my network name you can give it to my skill courses like this, and I will next it. Okay, after that I skip all cookies over here. Okay, you can see here, look at it, it's your dashboard get open over here. Okay, then you can add a message also over here. So events, you can add a certain events also. Okay, over here means you can do a certain 49 rupees of the certain kind of one thing. Create a space, you can create a certain space over here. Okay, or you can choose a template over here also. Okay, then create a collections, you can add a collections over here. Which kind of collection you want to create it, you can add a collections over here. And here you feed it, you can add go live. Suppose you want to go to live over here, you can give a certain live lectures, so you can give them the live lectures from here also. Okay, and you can add your lectures from here. Okay, allow it. Okay, discover means if you want to member, if you want to add your member from here, so you can add the member over here also. Okay, and here you create it, and when you go to create, build it your own chat, cohort course, content course. Suppose you have to add view template, or you can add view template over here. So space the name, you have to, then you add your enter your course name, then add your tagline over here. Collection is general. Okay, so privacy you have to select it, public, private or secret. So you should add your public over here, and then create space, you can create your own space. Okay, payments, what your notes should be that you can set up a plan for provide to access space and get from the payment and screen. After you create your space, after you create the space, you can add your payment service also. Okay, so like that you can sell your courses over here. Okay, so there is another website to sell the courses in online. So I will go to Google Chrome over here. I will type here Thinkific and I will enter it. You see here Thinkific is a create, market and sell online courses. So I will click over here. So I will show you get started for free over here. You can click over here and you can create an account over here. Do you have already account? So you have to sign up over here, sign in over here. You have to add your mail ID, first name, last name, choose the password, company size. We just meet full time or 2 to 4 people, 5 to 24. You can add people and create an account over here. After you create the account, your dashboard will get open and you can sell your courses or video or recorded videos or sell your courses to over in Thinkific account and you can earn income in Thinkific also. With a zero based commission in Thinkific. They cannot take any kind of commission in Thinkific. Okay? So like that you can earn income in Thinkific also. Udemy. So there is another website to sell the courses online is Udemy. So I will click over here and I will type here Udemy. Okay, I will click over here. Udemy is your online selling courses in marketplace where you upload courses to libraries and you can another courses over here. So I will sign up over here and okay, I will log in over here. I have already signed up, so I will log in over here. Continue Google. I will choose this kind of account and I will continue it. Okay, so I am logging over here. If you not log in, so you have to sign up over here. Okay, so if you want to sell the courses in Udemy, so here instructor. Okay, you click on the instructors and you see here your dashboard will get open like this. So create your course. So you can add course creation over here. So you have to create a course and then practical test or courses. So I will add a courses and then I will continue it. Okay. Then here, how about thinking of the title? So you have to title. You have to add your title over here. So I will add Photoshop 2019 with full course. Full course. Like that. And you have to continue over here. You see here it is continue. You have to continue. You have to choose the category. Finance, health, personal, marketing, lifestyle, photography and video. Then you have to continue over here. So how much time you have to spend in creating the courses per week? I am every business right now. I will work this side. I have a lot of flexibility. I have decided I have time. So I will work inside for 2 to 4 hours. Okay. So create course. So after that you have to upload a courses over here. So you see intended for the learners. Plan your course. You have to first of all plan your course. Suppose plan intended learners, course structure, setup and test videos. Suppose you click here and you have to intended learners. So example, you see here you have to add intended for the learners. Okay. Then after you have to course structure. What is the structure of that particular course? How much, which kind of people should learn this kind of course? You see your tips. Start with your goals, then create your outlines, then introduce your create a momentum, then sections and learning objectives, lecture and concept. Means one lecture should have to take this 2 to 7 minutes of the lecture over here. So mix and lecture types. So practice and create for hands-on learnings, requirements and resources. So all these things. Then set up and first test video. So you have to upload create a test video. You should have to create a test video over here. You can add this kind of test video from here. Okay, like this. Then here next is create your content, film and edit, curriculum, captions, accessibility. So you have to add your film and edit over here. You should add your film, add your publish your course over here. You see here create test video, then Udemy Trust, then teaching and content of create a quality. Okay, like this. Then after that curriculum, the course curriculum you have to add over here. Okay, the captions you should add over here. Okay, you can also add a caption also. Accessibility is optional. Publish the course land paging. What kind of course is course image, promotional video. You should add a promotional video over here. Then so here you see pricing. So pricing you can take INR, AUD, BLD, Canadian dollars, and you can take USD also. But I will take INR. Okay, I will click on INR. You click in INR. This price tiers means suppose there are certain courses you can you can also free. You can also give the courses certain free also. Or if you want to take charges, you can add minimum 799 to up to 3,999. You can add the charges also. So I will take 7,999 and I will save it. After that you can promotion of your course in Udemy. So you should add your coupon code. Then you can add expiry coupon also. Course message, you can add a certain message of the course also. And then you can publish, then you can submit for review. Then your course should go for the reviews, and after that your course will get published within 2 to 3 days only. Okay, and then you can earn a certain income from this selling the courses in online also. It's Teachable. There is another website to sell the courses online. It's Teachable. So I will go to again Google Chrome over here and I will type here Teachable. Teachable. I will enter. Teachable is India's alternative to create selling courses. So I will click on this website. Okay, then you see here best in class in future straightforward for pricing. So creator login, so I will creator login, so I will want to become a creator, so I will creator login. So you will add your email address and password over here and sign up from here. Okay, I will sign up from here. You add your full name, password and confirm password. Okay, I will create an account over here. My name is I will. Okay, I want to add my mail ID. Okay, I will add this gmail.id.com. Then I want to add password over here. Okay, my full name. And I agree with these terms and conditions and I will create the account. After creating the account, you should get the admin dashboard get open over here. You see, I will neighbor it. Do you want to currently run online business? So yes or no? Yes, full time, yes. Part time, no, I am not creating. So you have to give them certain questions for them. Okay, how big organization or Teachable account? Are you ready to offering content online? How big is email list and mobile subscribers? So approximately how much do you knowledge about the courses? So you have to give the certain questions about that and then you have to click on next options. Okay. After that you publish your product, one each type and 10 sessions videos, enroll 10 studios, sell a product up to $1 at 10% of transaction fees. You see here, like that is the plan. And then after you can get started over here. So I will get started over here. Online courses, choose the product, digital download, coaching, community, the online course. So I will click on online course and continue it. Okay. Then you can give the title. Suppose I will give the title as a Photoshop. Photoshop 2019. Help me get started. That you can create a title. Okay, and then I will continue it. After continue, upload the image. I don't have one, so click this and continue it. Okay, so set a price, one time per se, payment plan or subscription plan or free or I don't know. So I will do a subscription plan and continue it. So you should have to. I will take my currency in INR. So I will choose my currencies in INR. So subscription plan I will take monthly or every weekly or 3 months, 6 months or every year. So I will take a monthly plan amount cash 500 subscription plan. Okay, 500 rupees a month or you and or every year. Okay, and you should add a name, then subtitle, then description, and then you have to continue. After continue it, your account will get dashboard will get open over here, and you can upload the courses in Teachable also.
So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.